Hi everyone, Yvette here. I have a mini album for you. This is a FlexCover mini album and it comes from Kathy King at Paper Phenomenon. It's the little flex book that fits in the football that she made. And the measurement of the final album is about 6 by 3.5, and it is a flexible cover, and I really like it. It turned out really cute. And I also took that and then I made it into a bigger one. So this one holds 4 by 6s, and this one holds 3 by 4s. So I will show you guys this one first. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. So there's the cover, and this is an old Marion Smith, and it is Gypsy. And then I added a little bit of glitter paper there, and this sheet is from Romance Novel 2, also from Marion Smith. And then I just added a tag in here. Covers are made with Tyvek. And here's a little photo mat, magnet, 3 by 4s, 3 by 4s, and then spot for 2 by 2s, and then a 3 by 2. I forgot to finish this one. And then I added some journaling lines here from Project Life cards in craft. I didn't add magnets because I think they'll close perfectly fine without the magnets. And then on this side we have, zoom out just a little bit. We have another photo mat here. This was used using a 6 by 6 paper pad. Really cute. I will be teaching this one at the Scrapbook Cottage, so if you guys are interested, please phone the Scrapbook Cottage in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and we have picked a date, so you guys can phone and book your spot. Just kept the matting simple. And then that's the back. And this is the one that is bigger. It holds 4 by 6s. Finished project about 8 1/4 by 4.5. And I kind of matted the covers the same. I think it's kind of cute. And this one, same thing. Has some journaling cards from Project Life, some cutouts from the paper line, and some tags. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. There we go. And magnetic here. Again, some tags. More cutouts from the paper line. I just added it with a small Tim Holtz paper clips. Another little cutout. These are 3 by 3s, 4 by 6s. And there's your 4x6s with some lined paper from Project Life. Four by 6s on that side. Another pocket page. Another cutout. More cutouts. And if there's enough interest, I might teach this one too. Three by 4s on this side. These are all paper clipped on there because I'm giving it away to a lady I work with. She's leaving us, and I just want to give her a little something. I really like the flexible mini album. Very, very nice. Can't wait to try it in a bigger album. And then that's the back. So these are the mini flex album, and then I just made one a bit bigger. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I will come back with another set that I've made, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.